Here are some common ways people use Twitter to make money. 1. Building an audience and selling your own products/services. Promote your products. If you sell anything, ebooks, courses, art, software, physical products, Twitter is a great place to announce new releases, offer discounts, and engage with potential customers. Promote your services. If you're a freelancer, writer, designer, consultant, coach, etc., you can use Twitter to showcase your expertise, share valuable insights in your field, and let people know you're available for hire. Consistent, helpful tweets can establish you as an authority. Drive traffic to your website/blog. Share snippets of your blog post or website content with compelling hooks to encourage clicks. If your website or blog is monetized through ads, affiliate links, or selling products, this traffic can generate income. 2. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products and earn commissions. If you genuinely like and use certain products or services, you can share your recommendations on Twitter using affiliate links. When your followers click these links and make a purchase, you earn a commission. Be transparent about using affiliate links, e.g., use hashtags like #affiliate or #ad. 3. Sponsored tweets and brand partnerships. Collaborate with brands. If you have a significant and engaged following in a particular niche, brands might reach out to you to create sponsored tweets promoting their products or services. The payout depends on your follower count, engagement rate, and the brand's budget. Again, transparency is key. Always disclose sponsored content. 4. Content creation and tips. Offer exclusive content. Some creators use platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi and use Twitter to promote their exclusive content, e.g., bonus tweets, behind-the-scenes updates, that followers can access by becoming a patron or leaving a tip. Direct tipping. Twitter has had features that allow followers to directly tip creators. This can be a way for your audience to support your work if they find it valuable. 5. Growing other income streams. Promote your other platforms. Use Twitter to grow your audience on platforms that are more directly monetized, like YouTube channels through ads, podcasts through sponsorships, or newsletters through subscriptions. Build your personal brand. A strong Twitter presence can open doors to other opportunities like speaking engagements, book deals, or consulting gigs. Key strategies for making money on Twitter. X. Build a niche audience. Focus on a specific topic or area of interest to attract a targeted and engaged following. Provide value consistently. Share informative, entertaining, or insightful content regularly. Don't just self-promote all the time. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, ask questions, and participate in relevant conversations. Building relationships is crucial. Use relevant hashtags. Hashtags help people discover your content. Research and use hashtags that are popular in your niche. Be authentic. Let your personality shine through. People connect with genuine voices. Be patient. Building a profitable Twitter presence takes time and effort. Don't expect to make money overnight. Track your analytics. Pay attention to what types of tweets perform well, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Things to keep in mind. Follower count isn't everything. A smaller but highly engaged audience can be more valuable than a large number of inactive followers. Rules and regulations. Be aware of Twitter's X's rules regarding promotions and sponsored content, as well as any advertising regulations in your region. Scams. Be cautious of offers that seem too good to be true. There are many scams out there targeting creators. In short, making money on Twitter X is often about building a strong online presence, providing value to your audience, and then strategically leveraging that influence to promote your own offerings or those of others. It requires consistent effort, engagement, and a genuine connection with your followers.